असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय
K. Ismani, lecturer in English, Viveka Degree College, Pune. Today, I want to start prose lesson from third semester, Shyness, My Shield. The lesson Shyness My Shield was written by M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi, he was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Gujarat. He was the prominent leader of the Indian independence movement in British ruled India. He is also called Babu in India. In common parlance in India, he is often called Gandhiji. He is unofficially called the father of nation. As we know very well about Mahatma Gandhi, as he was a freedom fighter. So this lesson, Shyness My Shield, was extracted from his autobiography, My Experiments with the Truth. In this lesson, he provided how many committees are presenting the different types of situations. Okay, when we are going to deal with the lesson, the first paragraph of this lesson, I was elected to the executive committee of the Vegetarian Society and made it a point to attend every one of its meetings. But I always felt tongue-tied. That means he was elected to a Vegetarian Society committee, Gandhiji. When he was in London, he wanted to participate in different associations also. So I was elected to the executive committee. I means here Gandhiji. He was elected to the executive committee. What is the committee? Executive. Executive committee. So in this committee, it made a point to attend every one of its meetings. Generally, meetings are conducted by managers or any management or organizations. So Gandhiji, he has to be attend to the meeting, but I always felt tired. And Gandhiji was unable to speak properly. Why? Because the lesson suggested shyness. So shyness means it is a type of feeling to calm down. My shield. Shield means here it is a security to the person. Dr. Oldfield once said to me, "You talk to me quite alright, but why is it that you would never open your lips at a committee meeting?" Gandhiji always attended the meetings, but he never felt tongue-tied. Okay, and it was not a little curious that whilst others expressed their opinions at these meetings, I sat quite silent. Although Gandhiji was attended to the meeting, but he sat like an idol. I sat quite silent also. Gandhiji sat very silently. Not that I never felt tempted to speak. Even a single time, he never opened his mouth in that meeting. But I was at a loss to know how to express myself. All the rest of the members appeared to me to be better informed than I. Those who are attending the meeting, they are always speaking some words about increasing the level of executive committee. But Gandhiji, he did not open his mouth. But all are presenting their information with effectively. But Gandhiji is never presenting a single word. Then it often happened that just when I had mustered up courage to speak, a fresh subject would be started. If Gandhiji wanted to extend on for a long time. So meetings are going. For example, if a meeting is conducted tomorrow, Gandhiji was prepared at home earlier. But when conducting the meeting, he did not speak even a single time. Coming to second paragraph. In the meantime, a serious question came up for a discussion. Generally, in meeting, what is the main agenda of a meeting is to discuss the advantages or disadvantages of a company. But there is a serious question arising in that meeting. I thought it wrong to be absent. So Gandhiji did not want to escape to the meeting, but he strongly decided to encourage that meeting. So I thought it wrong to be absent. So we don't want to absent on that day, and felt it is an act of cowardice to register his silent vote. Silent vote. So generally, when we put a vote in that box, that means we will have some favorable person. That means, for example, a person who is sitting in the committee, those who are not speaking, that means they are not interesting to discuss that serious situations in that meeting. The president of the society was Mr. Hills, proprietor of the Thames Iron Works. The lesson is mainly given upon these two persons. One is Mr. Hills, was a proprietor of the Thames Iron Works. He was a Puritan. What is meant by Puritan? Puritan means a group of people who spreads the teachings of Lord Jesus. Okay, that is Puritan. Puritan provides the information about the Christianity. Okay, it may be said that the existence of the society depended practically on his financial assistance. Many members of the committee were more or less his proteges. So most of the people, they were turned to Mr. Hills. Why? Because they have a good opinion about Mr. Hills' thoughts or opinions. That is the main reason who supports the Mr. Hills. Dr. Allison's of vegetarian frame was also member of the committee. Mr. Hills and Dr. Allison. Dr. Allison is a vegetarian society member. Mr. Hills also a Puritan. So both are they have a committee members. He was an advocate of the then New Birth Control movement and preached its methods among the working classes. Mr. Hills regarded Dr. Allison of vegetarian frame was also a member of the committee, or more or less his proteges. Okay, he was an advocate of the New Birth Control movement. So Dr. Allison is the member of New Birth Control movement. Okay, and preached its methods among the working classes. Mr. Hills regarded these methods as cutting at the roots of morals. So you can understand this paragraph. There is a small controversy between Mr. Hills and Dr. Allison. Okay, I consider Dr. Allison's views regarding artificial methods of birth control as dangerous, and I believe that Mr. Hills was entitled as a Puritan to oppose him. So Mr. Hills has a wrong opinion about Dr. Hills. Why? Dr. Allison. Why? Because Dr. Allison is always support to vegetarian persons. The question deeply interested me. Consider Dr. Allison's views regarding artificial methods of birth control as dangerous, and I believe that Mr. Hills was entitled as a Puritan to oppose him. So both are opposing each other. The question deeply interested me. I had a high regard for Mr. Hills and his generosity, but I thought it was quite improper to exclude a man from a vegetarian society simply because he refused to regard Puritan morals felt unhappy through the works of Mr. Hills. Mr. Hills was entirely as Puritan to the opposed him. I had the record of Mr. Hills and his generosity, but I thought it was quite improper to exclude a man from a Presbyterian society simply because he refused to record Puritan morals as one of the objects of the society. Puritanism, it always says that Puritan is Christians in England and the United States who believed in living strictly according to the teachings of the Bible. A person who is highly moralistic and is serious and dull. So Puritan means they in England or United States of America, they believe in strictly according to the Bible. So they follow the rules and regulations and directions of the Lord Jesus also. Mr. Hill's view regarding the exclusion of anti-Puritans from the society was personal to himself, and it had nothing to do with the declared object of the society, which was simply the promotion of vegetarianism and not of any system of morality. I therefore held that any vegetarian would be a member of the society irrespective of his views on other morals. So when we look at this paragraph, we can understand only one concept, that is there is a discussion between Dr. Allison and Mr. Hills. So both are opposed each other because Mr. Hills, he was a Puritan, Dr. Allison was a Vegetarian Society president. Okay, coming to third, there were in the committee others also who shared my view, but I felt myself personally called upon to express my own. How to do it was the question. I had not the courage to speak, and I therefore decided to set down my thoughts in writing. So instead of speaking, Gandhiji strongly decided to present the information through letter. He wanted to write some information about the meeting, but he kept all these papers in his pocket. But when he entered into the committee meeting, he unable to speak. But he wanted to express his view, but not orally through written purpose. Okay, I went to the meeting with the document in my pockets. So far as I recollect, I did not find myself equally even to reading this. So, as the president had it read by someone else. He was written as a piece of paper, but in that meeting he given to other person to express his view instead of Gandhiji. Dr. Allison lost the day. Thus, in the very first bottle of the kind, I found myself siding by the losing party. But I had comfort in the thought that the cause was right. I have the fine recollection that after this incident, I resigned from the committee. So finally, there is no utility of attending the meeting. So Gandhiji, he was attending the meeting, but there is no use because he never opened his mouth, always felt tongue-tied. That is the main reason Gandhiji he did not want to speak in that meeting. So even though he written a piece of paper and he kept in his pockets. Okay, so it is better to understand Gandhiji's views